I'll be waiting in the shadow of the sun. Seasoned I would know it's been before. Close the curtains, what you're waiting for. And I'll be keeping secrets till I meet.
I don't got friends, I got family. At the end of the day, that's all I need. And you know, that's what you'll always be, no matter how long it's been. No, I don't got friends. I can tell the difference with my day ones. Read between the likes and the mentions. Candle in the sky for the lost ones. Need me, no, you only gotta call once. Let's make a toast to the good stuff. Raise the champagne in a red cup. My drip is so hot cause it's all love. My drip is so hot cause I don't got friends, I got family. At the end of the day, that's all I need. And you know, that's what you'll always be, no matter how long it's been. No, I don't got friends. Ooh, I got family.
Yeah. You're gonna know your real ones when you're tested. Who there with you when it's dead and when you stressing. And if I do you wrong, I'ma fess it. Like good energy, gotta protect it. Bare feet on the firewall, carry you for miles until I cry. Trust me. Tell me your secrets, stay on lock, yeah. I ain't alone on this one way, cause I don't got friends.
I got family. At the end of the day, that's all I need. And you know, that's what you'll always be, no matter how long it's been. No, I don't got friends. I got family.
I need your energy, baby, don't need no friend or acquaintance. I need your love in a form that you won't give to nobody, baby, I mean it. You told me it was no evil inside of you, but I seen it. It's family over everything, baby, I love too hard. I just want you to have your fun, cause life is too short. Take you out to eat in New York, let's go to Julon. Don't make and lose friends when your money too long.
Cause I don't got friends, I got family. At the end of the day, that's all I need. And you know, that's what you'll always be, no matter how long it's been. No, I don't got friends. I got family. I got family.
David Guetta, I told you they wouldn't be with us, man. These glasses, Celine, these Yeezy slides.
Good afternoon sa lahat ng nasa Middle East and good evening sa lahat ng nasa Pilipinas. So, ayan. This is it. Pansit. Ayan. So, by the way, ako nga pala si Owner Bell. Ang binansagang may saltik. Kasi, pangit man ako sa inyong paningin. Ay, ano ba? Maliit man at pangit man ako sa inyong paningin. Pero, wag ka. Nakakabaliw din. So, ayun. Happy 7th monthsary sa ating lahat dito sa Pure Hearts Tambayan, lalong-lalo na sa PHT family, sa PHT officer, sa admin, sa members, at sa pamilya ko na hindi man pare-pareho mga name tag, pero yung puso namin iisa lang because of the relationship na binuo namin since before na nagkakilala kami. Yung, kumbaga, na-appreciate ko yung bawat kilos ng bawat isa sa amin kasi even though we are not in the same room or even though iba-iba kaming VR, pero yung pagmamahal namin sa isa't isa, yung respeto natin sa bawat isa sa kapatiran, nandun pa rin, hindi nawawala. Lalong-lalo na sa prayer, I am so blessed and grateful kasi talagang ginugugol nyo yung oras at saka inaalam nyo kung anong oras talaga yung prayer. Alam nyo sa 7 buwan, napaka-blessed ko na nandyan kayo kasi sa totoo lang, hindi mabubuo tong PHT kung wala kayo. Hindi rin mabubuo ang nanay nyo, ako bilang nanay nyo, hindi ako buo kung wala kayo. Kasi sobra kayong magmahal sa akin at sobra din yung pakikisama nyo sa akin. Ramdam ko yung pagiging totoo nyo sa sarili nyo. Sa 7 buwang samahan natin, wala akong mang ibang hangad kundi ang mapabuti kayong lahat. At naway, lagi kayong mag-ingat at kung ano man yung journey nyo, yung mga dreams nyo, continue nyo lang. Basta ito ako. I'm always here to support you all guys kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, I'm not kind of strict mother or I'm not kind of strict owner na kagaya ng ibang VR. We are different. We are not the same. Kasi, yun nga, you have your own freedom. Yung malaya kayong gawin kung ano man yung gusto nyong gawin sa buhay nyo or dito sa imo, gumala kayo kung saan-saan. Kasi, andito lang naman tayo sa imo para magsaya, maglibang, at saka kung ano pa man. Hindi para higpitan kung ano man yung kaligayahan natin. So, bilang nanay nyo, grateful ako and thankful kasi kahit busy tayo, andyan kayo palagi, 'di ba? So, sa 7 buwan na yun, napakadami na nating memories. Pero, isa lang nangingibabaw ang pagmamahal at pakikisama natin, hindi nawawala. So, sa 7 months na celebration natin, sana hindi lang 7 buwan ang isa-celebrate natin, kundi madami pang buwan at taon. So, yun yung pinaka-mission natin. Magstay kung ano man tayo mula umpisa hanggang dulo. PHT family, laban lang. So, again, happy 7th month sa po sa ating lahat. I love you all.